Hello friends, in this video we learn how to fix and resolve the system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation in Windows 10. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 laptop or PC and you are facing this error when you try to install, so to resolve this issue, there is a very simple and quick method. Click on start, then type CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now here type this command line net space user space administrator space slash active semicolon yes. So type this command line net space user space administrator space this forward slash active semicolon and yes. Now press enter. So guys, you will see this command line. The command completed successfully. Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully guys, by using this simple command prompt line, you can resolve this installation problem. Thanks for watching this video. Please give the feedback this video useful for you or not.